Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video. Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa forgot to on my mic this round. So this is actually Appa will be doing a voiceover, okay? Today Appa will be making nasi biryani, Melayu style, or they call it Nasi Minyak. Some people scolded Appa for calling it nasi biryani, but anyway, that's how many of the Johorian calls it, okay? So I have some basmati rice here, about 2 cups of basmati rice. Wash it thoroughly, and then then wash it thoroughly, and then added the water. And the amount of water you need to add is about 1 to 1.5. So rice is 1, then the water will be 1.5. Then you will need some ghee, and you will need some evaporated milk. These two will make your rice very, very fragrant. Then you will need some spices. You need some star anise, bay leaf. There is a cinnamon stick. This is cumin powder and also fennel powder, or cumin powder and fennel powder, or coriander powder. I'm sorry, should be fennel powder and coriander powder. And you will need some pandan leaf, some chopped fresh ingredient. This is chopped shallot, chopped garlic, chopped ginger, also chopped fresh coriander. Appa is using a little bit of coloring here to give it the yellow color, but of course many of you will be using the what flower is it? I forgot the name. There's a reddish color flower. Saffron, yeah, saffron flower, sorry. Oh, just now the one I was showing is actually the fried onion, yeah. So for those who doesn't want to use coloring, you can go ahead to use saffron flower. So you will put in a lot of ghee. By the way, ghee is very, very expensive. This is at least I'm putting in at least about 5-6 tablespoons easily of ghee. And you want to melt it first. So these are the fresh herbs. You want to saute it to bring out the nice fragrance. Oh, super, super fragrant. I wish you can smell this. Seriously, very, very fragrant. Especially the ghee. Ghee is something like very magical. Okay, this is after a minute or two. After sauteing, and everything is the ghee has totally melted. You don't have to saute until it becomes brownish. No need. Okay, now it's putting in the fennel powder and also coriander powder. And this is the tomato puree. Basically, I just use a fresh tomato and chop it up. This will give a nice very nice and natural tangy flavor to your nasi minyak. Then we add some evaporated milk. This will make the whole thing very, very creamy. And put in the pandan leaves. Creamy and fragrance right now, milky. And this is the rice that we wash. Put it inside. And you want to mix everything up nicely. You don't really have to cook the rice here. All you need to do is just to mix everything nicely. Make sure all your rice is nicely coated with the sauce just now. Then we can move, now we can actually add a little bit of salt. And sugar. Continue to fry for a while to allow the sugar and salt to melt. Okay, then after this, we should be moving this over to the rice cooker. Now this is the rice cooker, and what you want to make is add in enough water. Like I mentioned earlier, the ratio between the basmati rice and water is always 1 to 1.5. Okay, the rice is ready. Oh, super fragrant. Super fragrant. I wish you can smell this. We can actually take out the star anise, cinnamon stick, and also the, this is, pandan leaves. So the cardamom. Right. I'm going to give it a bit of color. Definitely optional, you don't have to do this. Or you can use saffron. Alright, few drops. And don't flip it first. Close it. Flip it about 5, leave it stay for about 5 minutes, then only you flip it. Right, this after about 5 minutes later. Just give it a few flip. Mix the rice nicely together, and it's basically done. So I'm going to carefully do it gently when you flip it. You don't want to break the texture of the rice. Very fluffy, as you can feel, super fluffy. Right, I'm going to serve it, put it onto a serving plate. Okay, so the rice is here. I'm going to garnish it with a bit of fried onion on top, some cashew nuts, some fresh coriander. Right, done. Very simple but very fragrant. You can eat this with many things. Maybe the best is you need some achar, you need some daging rendang. Yeah, that's my two favorite. Today I'm going to eat it with my home cooked chicken curry. All right, so I hope you like my video. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.